Hey everyone who cares about road safety, welcome to Road Breakdown. We take real accidents caught on camera and turn them into clear, useful lessons. Watch closely, take notes, and make sure you never make these mistakes yourself.
Сука, долбоёб, блядь!
And then just social work stuff, just kind of about parenting. Oh, see an addict.
Do not risk making maneuvers that you are not sure about. The participants in the movement may change their trajectory and speed when moving during your maneuvers.
Allah belanı vermesin senin.
Be extremely careful in conditions of poor visibility, especially since you should not overtake in such conditions. According to our information, the driver's loss of consciousness was the cause of this tragedy.
Pushed out poet, heard the baseline smack, now she can't control it. It ain't a lot of pretty things that she can't do. She put the heels to the speaker, let the beat bang through.
Оформляем. Оформляем.
Rain does not change traffic regulations, but it does change the laws of friction. Drive the car smoothly in such weather conditions.
tak sarankan pakai yang straight tu. Ya Allah subhanallah.
Allah Akbar. Sini lah.
Cepat ni. Oh, bukan. Maybe.
Everything electric, baby, everything bliss. Keep a ring and a roll it for your next bitch.
Fuck! You're fucking joking!
And then you can say, well, okay, the lead cog's making him watch that.
Only about 11,000 of us left. Oh no!
Press 1 for new customers. Press 2 for existing customers. Press 3 if this is regarding a WDO report.
Video locked.
The 3-second rule, make sure that the intersection is empty, even on the green.
Shit with this. Got my kids at a fake school. We ain't.
God damn! God damn! Son of a bitch! Okay, just go ahead. Go ahead. Just go ahead.
Oh, car crash! Cháu đây! Ôi, con mẹ ẩm.
Vãi lìn. Chịu rồi.
Địt và em chịu rồi!
Rất là may mắn con.
Buddy, patience. Fuck, no wonder you got that shit on your car. And what are you doing?
I think if you look underneath my desk, there's a box. I think there's some drill bits in there. I think we drill them with that and then put the shit. Oh, fucking hell.
Oh, I got Dashcam too.
That was a massive smash.
Stash.
Yeah.
Let me.
A burning trailer among cars is not a movie, it's a reality. If you see this, don't be a hero. Drive away. It could explode at any moment.
Is how can somebody like me who's completely party that I've always been it's over to me.
idiot. I mean, idiot dropped a refrigerator in the middle of the highway, but then that was a refrigerator, and somebody didn't see it hit it.
God.
That wraps up today's episode. Road Breakdown reminds you, attention on the road is the best insurance. Watch your surroundings, follow the traffic rules, and stay safe. See you in the next analysis.